Now that you've defined the curriculum for this classroom, the next step would be to go in and create assignments. You're not going to be able to assign anything that's toggled off in this Edit Curriculum section, so just keep that in mind. If you want to assign something that's toggled off in here, just go in and toggle it on, and then you'll be able to assign it. So let's say we want to be able to create an assignment with that, just make sure it's toggled on. So now let's go over to Assignments and create our first assignment. There's 3 different types of assignments we can make. First one is a recorded assignment. So this just is a way to ask students to record themselves playing something. It can be useful as a marker of progress for them or as something that you can grade. So you type in instructions to them here and then click Create Assignment. Now let's create the second type of assignment. This is a earn points assignment where you're asking them to earn experience points, which they can earn for doing anything from beating a whole game to beating a level in a game to even trying to beat a level in a game but failing, to even just showing up to practice in a given day. You earn 1 point. So it's effort based, and it's a way to have them play any of the games that you've made available in the Edit Curriculum section and earn points doing that and complete the assignment that way. So it's about 1 point per minute spent on average. So you can keep that in mind when you're creating the assignment and click Assign there. Now, the final type of assignment is probably the most popular. It's complete skills. So here you're actually asking the student to complete every level, beat every level of every game that you assign them here. To create the assignment, first you choose what missions you want to assign games from. Let's say we choose these 2, and then it's going to show you in this drop-down menu all of the games that are in both of those missions and which are toggled on in the Edit Curriculum section. Just keep in mind you won't be able to assign anything if it's toggled off in the Edit Curriculum section, so if you don't find it here, just go back there and make sure it's toggled on. So let's say we want to assign Understanding Major Scales from the Introduction to Melody and Harmony mission, and then bass clef Reading Between the Lines from the Reading Notes and Bass Clef mission. And you can set a due date, and again, just keep in mind you're asking the student to complete every level of both of these games. So click Assign to Skills. Cool. And finally, over here on the Weekly Goal section, this is for if you like using the XP assignment and you want to just create a weekly recurring XP assignment for your students. Here you can set how many XP you want them to earn. Here you can set what day your class happens, and then you'll be able to see their progress for each week. If you don't want to use that, just toggle it off up here. Finally, if you want to see what your classroom looks like from a student's perspective, click View as Student in the bottom left. It'll open up in a new tab, so you can just close that tab in your browser when you're done. But this is what the classroom will look like from your student's perspective. And that's it. See you in the final video.